Hey guys, today's is a very quick, easy recipe of curd raita or Mosaru Bajji with a twist. Please keep on watching, I'll let you know what the twist is. So in this recipe, I'll be using some onions, tomatoes, green chilies, carrots, coriander leaves, fresh curd and salt to taste. So the twist is I'll be adding some fresh coconut. To a grinding jar, I'll add in the chopped coconut pieces, little water and grind it coarsely. Once this is done, let's keep it aside because we'll be adding this at the end. Now to the bowl of fresh curd, I'll be adding all the ingredients one by one. Next I'll add in a bit of the grounded coconut. Lastly, add in the salt and give it a good mix. Usually with Mosaru Bajji or curd raita, there is a tendency that the water gets separated from the vegetables. By adding this grinded coconut, it prevents that and it gives a very creamy and thick texture. And it tastes wonderful. This recipe pairs up with any type of pulao or biryani. I have a different way of eating Mosaru Bajji or curd raita. I never have it with the pulao, like mixing it with the rice. I like to have raita in a bowl separately once I'm done with the pulao or biryani. Let me know how you guys like it in the comment section. Do try out the recipe. I do have a video uploaded for this pudina pulao. I'll link it somewhere here and also in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram for more updates. Do hit that subscribe button and see you in my next. See you. Bye bye.